from Unlimited CCTV and Security. So today we've got the new Hikvision 2MP ColourVu camera. It records in colour for 24 hours, so it doesn't matter whether it's daylight or night time. It's made out of a plastic body and it can be put in a soffit or you can mount it onto a base. I'm just going to show you a bit of footage so you can see how the camera actually records and so you can see the quality of it. So keep on watching. So that's it for today, just a quick video on the new ColourVu camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page for more updates and new products. We'll see you next time.